Extracting metals. After the metals are separate from their ores, they are classified based on their reactivity. The following are the various categories of metals grouped as per their reactivity. Extracting metals low in the activity series. Metals that low in the activity series are very unreactive. The oxides of these metals are reduced to metals by heating alone. Extracting metals in the middle of the activity series. The metals in the middle of the activity series are moderately reactive. These metals are usually present as sulfides or carbonates in nature. It is easier to obtain a metal from its oxide. Therefore, first these metals need to be converted to their oxides. The process used to convert sulfide ores by heating strongly in the presence of excess air is known as roasting. The process used to convert carbonate ores by heating strongly in limited air is known as calcination. Extracting metals towards the top of the activity series. The metals that are high up in the reactivity series are very reactive and cannot be obtained from their compounds by heating with carbon, as these metals have more affinity for oxygen than carbon. These metals are obtained by electrolytic reduction.